Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick little crafty haul. I picked up one item from Frank's Studio and then I got my Peachy cheap order. And yeah, I think that's about it. So let's get on with it. I had seen Tony Craft Purge post, I think Tony, and I saw Sweet Crafty Girl post this beautiful minty pink collection by Minte by Corolla, and it is beautiful, you guys. I absolutely love it. I typically do not go for collections like this, but this is gorgeous. The colors are so me, and I still have no idea what I'm gonna create with this, but I definitely had to purchase it. I'm gonna show you guys what every sheet looks like, and this is the collection kit that comes with like the little die cuts in the back of this, of the cover, so you can fussy cut all these out, which I plan to do so. And then you guys look, you get the cutter parts, which you can make beautiful cards, which is what I plan to do. And that is the back side, so you can either use the frame or the opposite side. I of course am going to use this side because I love them. We have this beautiful page with like a bunch of poinsettias and just the colors, you guys. Oh my gosh, and the quality of this paper. I love it. And it's called Sweetest Christmas. This is the opposite side. So when I had seen it with Stephanie, I was like, oh, okay, I think I'm gonna pick it up. But then I saw Tony's video and I was like, yeah, gotta get it. It is adorable, and you get 2 pages of each in this kit, and it was like $14.99. Look at this, you guys, like ready for the holidays. Loving the colors. Look how beautiful. This one says Merry Christmas, Enjoy Christmas, Happy Christmas. And then we have this one. I don't know if it's repeating now. I think it's repeating now, but this is the last one. And then this is the opposite side, is with the pink. So you get like a mint green one like this and a pink one. And then, yes, I think it becomes repetitive. But you guys definitely check out this collection. I'm pretty sure it's going to sell out because it is adorable. The colors are amazing, and I didn't really go for the whole, I forgot what was the name of the collection from Prima last year, but this is super cute and I needed to get this paper. So this is what I picked up from Frank Garcia, and you guys, they package their stuff so good. This is my second order from them, and everything comes packaged so beautifully. Like, it was inside here, so perfect. Definitely order from them. I'll have them linked down below. And then you guys, I got my second order. I'm not gonna go through everything because you guys have seen it already, but I got my second order from Peachy for Hey Pumpkin, and I'm super excited because I am going to be doing my October daily with this collection. So that came in and I am super excited. And one more thing I'll show you guys is that I did purchase the digital for Cartabella, what's it called, Christmas Market. I always forget the name. And I wanted to show you guys that I cut some of the ephemera pieces. Look how cute. This collection is so cute, and I know it's super early to cut Christmas, but I don't know yet which collection I'm going to be using on my December daily. So I kind of want to play around with a few just to look at the pieces that come in the collections so that I can decide which one I'll use for my December daily, unless Crate Paper comes out with something super cute like they always do every year. I'm totally waiting for that. Look at that. You guys, it's so cute. I love the buffalo plaid, the poinsettia look, the black and white. I love it so much. But yeah, you guys, I did get the digital for this collection. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.